Hey, what's going on? Here for another unboxing video. It's been a while since I did one of these. The last one I did was the bevel shaver, and I'm back today. Seems like folks like unboxing videos, so I'm gonna give it another shot. So today I'm gonna be unboxing an Ego lawnmower, 22-inch super composite select cut self-propelled lawnmower. So looking forward to unboxing it. There are just a couple of things that I did already take out just so that I could actually mow after the unboxing. And so the first one is this box right here. And so this is a box that contained this battery. And so this battery is a 10 amp hour battery. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this button. I think you can see it light up, but all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections are lit up. When I first got it, I think only 1 or 2 sections were lit. Go ahead and show you the charger. This is the actual charger that came out. This is the other thing that I took out of it. Hefty charger, hefty battery. Let me plug the charger up and see if I can show you some of the things that light up on it when it's plugged up and charging. So give me just a minute. All right, so the first thing that I noticed when this was plugged up was normally a fan comes on. I think it's still plugged up. Yeah, it should be. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide this battery in here. Locks in. And I don't know if you can see from there. Let me see how close I can get. But this indicator light shows you the battery current power and if it's charging or not. And normally there's a fan that comes on that indicates that this is charging. But this battery is fully charged. It's got some mounting brackets on the back so that you can mount it to the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and set it there, and I'm gonna unplug it since it is fully charged. There's a fan that comes with it. There's a fan that comes on in the charger, and I don't want it to mess up our audio. So the reason I'm doing an unboxing on this particular one is because I looked online when I was trying to make the decision about whether or not I wanted to purchase this one, and I couldn't find any unboxing videos of this particular model. And so this is the I think second to the highest quality model you can get. There's the model that comes with the aluminum, I don't know what it's called, frame, we'll call it. And then there's a model that comes with it's also 22 inches if I'm not mistaken. It comes with 2 5 amp hour batteries, and this is the model that comes with 1 10 amp hour battery. And the other model also has 2 slots for both batteries, so you can have them both in there. I decided to get this one. I think that one maybe was $100 more than this one. I decided to get this one because the other one you had to have both batteries in it for it to run. This one will actually run with just the one battery. So yeah, let's go ahead and start unboxing it and see what else comes in here. Model number for this one is the LM2236SP. Normal price $8.99 at Lowe's. They're having a Father's Day sale, and so I was able to get this one for $7.99, and it didn't come with any other extra accessories. So what's in the box is it. So they did something funny at the store when I originally purchased it, they actually opened up the box and they told me that they did this because they wanted to check and make sure that the battery was actually in here, because they had some issues with some customers leaving the store, opening the box at home on these ego mowers and saying that there was no battery in there. So whether they just got hustled and someone was just lying to them, telling them that there were no batteries in there, and so they got another, you know, $150, $250 battery, depending on what model they chose. They decided to just open the boxes in stores to just eliminate anybody coming back and doing that. So that kind of messed up some of the mojo for me, but it's cool. So let's go ahead and open the rest of this up. So first thing I see is an extra blade that comes in it, extra blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that over here. And then we've also got the bag. So this is the bag. It came in. I'm probably not gonna edit any of this out. You guys are gonna see all of this, bloopers and blunders. I think this is just a side cover, if I'm not mistaken, for if you're mulching the grass. It shoots out the side because I think it uses a different blade when you're mulching, and so this just covers up the side so that it doesn't shoot out too far away. Let's see what else we got. And it might be about it. Other than the mower. Yeah, I think the last thing to come out is gonna be the mower. So go ahead and struggle for a minute and pull that out. What's going on, man? You doing all right? My neighbor pulling up. All right, I don't know how we're gonna do this. I might go ahead and just set this on the ground, and then I'll lift the mower up onto the table once I wrestle it out the box. So give me a second. All right. Got it halfway out. Let's see how we're gonna get it the rest of the way out. Not sure exactly where to grab on this, but okay. Man. All right, that looks like it. Okay, much easier to grab. I grab it from this composite deck. So, I mean, this is it. I'm not exactly sure how to take this apart. All right, let's see. Promotional material exceeds the power of gas, 10.6 pounds of torque, 75 minutes. Oh yeah, 75 minutes max runtime. Again, it's 22 inches. Pause. Super composite deck, 10-year warranty. Arc lithium 56-volt battery. So let's see. Got this that says remove, and I mean it looks like that's all that comes with it. You get the 10 amp hour battery. You get the charger. You get the bag, and you get this side cover and the mower. Push to unlock. So there's a latch here with some instructions that say push to unlock. So you push it, and this locks back. And then it looks like there's a latch right here in the center. The other mowers, most of them have latches on the sides, 2 latches. This one's got 1 latch in the center. If you unlatch this, then you can extend this to whatever height you want it to go to. Lock it back in place. And that's it. Let's see, how do you open up the battery compartment? Okay, the battery compartment flips up from here. Looks like there's a quick start guide in here. Space for just a single battery. And that's about it. I think I'm gonna finish this up, give you guys some close-up shots on the mower and the accessory. And then, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to mow my yard today, but I'll give it a mow by the latest tomorrow and see how I love it. Come back and give you guys some feedback. Peace.